I saw you in a moment, time just stood still.
In this step-by-step tutorial, discover the best.
Alright, so nowadays everyone's jumping on the AI avatar trend, you guys, right? Like you've seen those talking animal videos, photo sync characters, and even funny lip synced memes as well, right? Like it's blowing up everywhere. But the problem is there's never been one single AI tool that can do everything for you, from creating AI avatars to syncing lips perfectly, merging audio, or even, making a simple photo, talk, or sync. But that was until now, because I found one tool that literally does it all, and it's about to make your AI content game way, way easier. So yeah, it's called HitPaw Edimakor. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so first of all, if you go ahead and open HitPaw Edimakor, so you guys can see in the homepage, we have so many features lined up where you can see we have the AI avatar feature, face swap, auto removal, AI video, subtitle, text-based editing, like so many features right over here that you can use in a single software. So yeah, that is really, really cool. But specifically in this video, we're going to talk about how to create like talking AI avatar, like photo talking and photo syncing. So yeah, for that, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this feature of AI avatar. So it's going to direct me to the home page of HitPaw Edimakor, where normally it looks like a very amazing up-to-date AI video editor that you can use right now. So in the AI avatar section, we have so many different options. You can go ahead and do AI avatar, singing photo, talking animal, talking photo, video lip sync you can do as well. So yeah, first of all, let's just go ahead and check out the AI avatar feature of HitPaw Edimakor. So yeah, in that you can see we have different options. First of all, you can go ahead and select your voice and upload method. You can either choose text to speech of HitPaw Edimakor, you can import your local audio, or you can record your own voice as well, yeah, which is really, really cool. And yeah, below that you can also go ahead and select your avatars that HitPaw Edimakor provides you. So we have plenty of pretty decent AI avatar already together, and in that you can select either the daily ones which are looking really, really good. Then you can choose some festival one. Let's just say if you want to go ahead and choose some clown one, maybe someone of a Christmas. So you can go ahead and select that. So you can also go ahead and select the profession one as well. So let's just say you want to go ahead and create some professional advertisement. So you can do that as well with the help of HitPaw Edimakor. You can also go ahead and select cartoons and some from fashion as well. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and select some AI avatar from profession. So let's just say I go ahead and select this one right over here.
Unleash your creativity with our video editing tools.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and for the voice, I'm going to go ahead and use text to speech first of all. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and just, paste my short script right over here, and then you can go ahead and select your avatar voice from this amazing library that HitPaw Edimakor provides you. So we have different voices of different ethnicity and of different gender that you can go ahead and select. You can also go ahead and filter that with accent, use case, or a language as well. Also supports like tons of other languages as well besides English. So yeah, first of all, let's just say I go ahead and select this one, Henry.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Okay, I'm gonna click confirm, and after that, simply need to go ahead and hit generate. Like, take a look at this, how easy this is, you guys, right? With only just few steps, you don't need to go ahead and select different softwares. You can do all that with the help of just one tool, which is HitPaw Edimakor. All right, so after a few seconds, my AI avatar has been generated. So from here, simply we need to go ahead and click on this plus option. So it's gonna go ahead and simply drag it to the timeline, and from here, I can easily play that and show it to you guys.
In this step-by-step tutorial, discover the best free AI tools for realistic photo talking and photo singing animations. Perfect for content creators, digital artists, or anyone wanting to bring images to life.
So yeah, that looked absolutely amazing, you guys saw, right? The lip sync, the voice, the expression, everything was to the point for this AI avatar. All right, so for the next example, I'm gonna go ahead and try to create a AI avatar of my own self. Let's just say if you want to go ahead and create AI avatar for your custom image, so you can absolutely do that as well. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this option. So with that, you can easily go ahead and upload your own image. So I'm gonna go ahead and import my JPG, like any file of your own self. So I'm gonna go ahead and take any image of myself from here. All right, let's just go ahead and take this one. I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and after that, this time I'm going to go ahead and try to record my own voice because I want to go ahead and create my exact avatar that's going to look like me and sound exactly like me. Okay, so from here, I'm going to click on record voice and click on the mic option. So from here, it's going to go ahead and record my own voice. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a sample recording. All right, so after it's done, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on generate. All right, so within few seconds, my AI avatar, my own custom AI avatar has been generated. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and simply click on the plus option to just drag it to the timeline. And let me show it to you guys how it turned out. All right, you guys, so this is basically just my sample audio that I'm creating in HitPaw Edimakor. So yeah, that was absolutely perfect. Like, now I don't have to go ahead and just create videos of my own self, record my own self. I can create a custom AI avatar of my own self with my own voice and create as many videos as I want with the help of HitPaw Edimakor. So yeah, that is absolutely fantastic. All right, so for our next use case, we're gonna go ahead and create some singing photo and talking photos with the help of HitPaw Edimakor. So in this, basically, what you can do is you can create any AI avatar and let them sing for you or talk for you with perfect lip sync. Like, take a look at this.
The rising sun of faith brings a brand new day. With every note we play, our hearts find their way.
Yeah, just like that. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna go ahead and select any AI avatar that HitPaw Edimakor provides you, or again, you can go ahead and create your own. So let's just say I go ahead and select this AI avatar. And from here, what I can do is I can simply go ahead and upload my song, my voice audio that I want to go ahead and lip sync with AI avatar. So I'm going to go ahead and upload any song of mine right over here. Okay, and after that, simply need to go ahead and select my AI avatar and click on generate. All right, and just like that, within few seconds, our AI avatar has been generated which is singing this time. So let me go ahead and show it to you guys.
I saw you in a moment, time just stood still. A spark in your eyes, a feeling so real. You smiled and the world faded out of view. From that day on, I knew it was you.
All right, so that looked absolutely fantastic. And in the last use case, you can also go ahead and create talking photos as well. And you can also go ahead and do that with animals, with cartoons, and with daily characters, like whatever you like. So yeah, that is a really, really cool stuff, because you guys know nowadays, talking animal and these kind of videos, like AI generated videos, are really going trending nowadays. So yeah, for that, HitPaw Edimakor could be the perfect tool for you guys. So for that, let's just say I go ahead and select any animal from here. Let's just say I select this cute panda.
Elevate your storytelling with powerful video editing.
All right, and in the text to speech, I'm gonna go ahead and again upload my text right over here. And then you can also go ahead and select your voice. So let's just say I select this Ethan voice right over here this time. And then after that, you need to go ahead and simply click on generate to start creating the talking animal, okay? All right, so when it's done, this is how your talking animal is gonna look like.
In this step-by-step tutorial, discover the best free AI tools for realistic photo talking and photo singing animations.
So yeah, this was a quick overview for a very amazing AI video editor that is basically an all-in-one tool. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.